Alright, welcome back everyone. Okay, so there's one thing that we need to do before we move on here, and there's basically a tag that is really important, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right here. It's called title. Okay, and of course we're going to close off this tag. Okay, and if I put something in here, you notice that nothing ends up showing up in the editor here. And the reason is that this title here is basically what the page is called. So you can say this is our awesome website. Okay? And if you look up at the top of your browser, it would say that the title is this is our awesome website. So you can put your homepage name, you can put your name, you can say whatever you want. You can say, google.com, whatever your website is, title, it goes here. And this is basically something that puts up at the top of the browser. All right? And that's just simply how you add in a title tag. I'll see you guys next time.